Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Fernando da Cruz has officially arrived at Naturena to take over as the new Kaizer Chiefs coach. Kaizer Chiefs announced the signing of da Cruz 2 weeks ago, and now they have unveiled the new coach. So here is what Kaizer Chiefs Sporting Director Kaizer Motaung Jr. says. We would like to welcome Coach da Cruz to Kaizer Chiefs. His arrival marks the beginning of an exciting chapter for the club, and we look forward to seeing his vision take shape with the team. With the passion of our loyal supporters and the commitment of our players, we believe this partnership will bring renewed energy and success as we prepare for the upcoming season. Those are the words of Sporting Director Kaizer Motaung Jr. And the newly appointed head coach da Cruz has started his work at Naturena today, and this is what he said. I'm very happy to be here. The club has always had a special place in my heart. I've kept a close eye on its journey over the past 2 years. Kaizer Chiefs is a massive institution with passionate supporters and a proud history. My focus now is on building a strong connection with the players, instilling a winning mentality, and working together to achieve the success our fans deserve. The journey ahead will demand hard work, unity, but I'm confident we will rise to the challenge. Those are the words of Fernando da Cruz. Now, are you excited with the new Kaizer Chiefs coach, Fernando da Cruz? Let me hear your thoughts. And Kaizer Chiefs, when they announced him on their social media platform, they wrote, Coach da Cruz is now fully in the building, stepping into his role with clear intent, strong leadership, and a shared belief in what this team can become. With the full technical team in place, the focus is clear. Every drill matters. Every detail counts. Every day is a step towards something bigger. And the statement continued to say preseason is in full swing. And with every session, the energy grows stronger. The work happening now is about more than fitness and preparation. It is about building something worthy of the badge, the legacy, and millions who stand behind this club. This season brings big ambition to compete at the highest level in the PSL, on the continent, and in every cup competition ahead. We know who we represent. The supporters, the communities, the gold and black. Together we move forward with belief, hunger, and one shared goal. The journey to 2026-27 is underway, and we move as one. That's the statement from Kaizer Chiefs. So are you excited with the appointment and the arrival and unveiling of the new coach, Fernando da Cruz? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section.